Maing hapon bay. It's very hot today. It's like 45-degree weather here in Australia. It's the 27th of January. It's very hot, summer. So panunggog shops karon mga to ko patkog sponge bread, patkog tukuan, patis, toyo, pero patis man sa tuwa. Anyway, I'm gonna do that, and why is this manual focus? It's not focusing what I was talking earlier, but anyway, padukuan to, and then yeah, we'll see how we go. Yeah, it's very hot. Ako sa naman kagasolina sa kanan. So, let's go. Tagads camera, init. Init di bay. So 5:30 na siya, ingon ang auto 30 degrees daw siya from inside the car. Let's go out. Toyo. Check natin snacks. Okay. So diha ang kuan masagana Filipino shop. Let's go. Stop kay Mark Knox. Init yung kayo rin. Init yung kayo. Knox Westfield right now, and it's very hot. It's very hot. So just in time. It closed when I arrived. So yeah. So human ako pagasolina dito sa Shell. Paspas kay ko kay init kayo. So kita ninyo, kurog kay akong kamot. It's around 37 degrees at around 6:18. Sa gawas kay murag kuan 45 or yeah, something like that. Finally, balik na ako sa balay, and it's around finally 38 degrees. Muna siya. Piti. So bayabot na ako sa balay, and it's very hot outside. It's really so hot. I'm in the room right now. Just had to turn on the aircon, and the thing is, yes, it's around 7 p.m., 7:11 p.m. now, and it's around 41 degrees. So di siya mag-focus, but there you go. It's around 41, not 71. Fucking hell, 41 degrees. So init din siya. At the moment, I just received this, so we're gonna try to open it. It's my Amazon package. It's just nothing. It's just a vmount battery, but it's nice to have mail. Yeah, it's nice to have mail. So let's open it. Let's go. So ato na lang ablihan karon. Abli na rin kung gabihan kanina na video. So what we have is a newer, not an older battery. Wala siya. Nalibag kong mail. Yeah. So I got the newer batteries, vmount batteries. Small rig ta akong kwaon because I have small rig before, but the thing is this one's they're really cheap. So it's very cheap. So so I ended up just getting it because yeah, it's cheap. Though just to clarify, also ang kuan ang katong small rig, they have very good warranty here in Australia. Ang akong old nga vmount kas it wasn't working. It's kanang wa siya klaro ba? No, it died It's not like klaro, it's died. Hindi siya mo on. So what I did is send them an email and tell them that it's not working. And they asked for some photos, videos, and they sent me a new one. It's very good. But this one, let's try this out. This is cheap, so I just got it. So should be a problem. Anyway. Yeah, it's not the best. What the fuck? Okay, D-tap. Kulbaan ko. Abi na ko walay ka ng USB-C. So it has USB-C here. It's not focusing to my face. Let me just press this. Hindi siya mo kuan. Saan na ni? Buang akong settings. One sec. Saan ito ni? Kani? Tara di. Fucking hell. So tara siya. So it has a USB plug. I thought it doesn't have. So usara ka thing akong ganahan niya. Annoying kay kani siyang rio. Kaning nangari. Hindi siya mo tarog sila. Pero okay lang na siya. Anyway, not sponsored. Just bought this with my own money. Just normal plug. Nothing here. So pila pa lang kami nisa ko gamit ni. I don't like this one's here. Look at that. This one. So tawa. Nagburot. It's annoying. I don't like it. Floppy. It's bad. Pero baratom siya. So, okay. Butang mo na ako sa kanang mga lights na ako. So, okay.